Hi guys, welcome to another do-it-yourself video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to do a do-it-yourself video of taking out the main relays. There's two. The one on the right is the main relay 1, which is here. I already unplugged that already. And the one on the left is the main relay 2, which controls the fuel pump for that. Okay, there's a total of 5 relay. There's one here that's empty, so there's 3 on this side and there's 2 on this side. Okay, on the 06 and 07, it's gonna look different from the 03 and the 08. Okay, so this is pretty much where the relay is. The one on the right is the brown one, and the one on the left is the blue one for that. Okay, so I already took it out, and then I'm gonna install these, and I'll kind of go into why I need to install these. The problem is that when I start the car, I'll run it for a couple blocks, and as the car gets hot, it just kind of died. Yeah, so and then you wait a few minutes and then you're able to start the car again. It might go a couple of minutes or 1 or 2 blocks, and then it'll die again for that. Okay, and then you have to kind of wait until it cools down a little bit and then start up the cars again. So I'm gonna try switching out these sensors, this relay first, and give it a try, and then I'll see. Okay, but hopefully this will do it. Okay, so pretty much it'll be kind of hard to do it. I'm gonna just hold the phone and try to install this. Hopefully I'm able to do it. Okay, I don't know if you guys could see it though, but bear with me, guys. I'm sorry if it's wobbly, because okay, so I'm able to install one. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it though, but it's kind of tight up in here, guys. But it's this little thing right here. I wish I could kind of go in and show you guys, but you won't miss it though. It's this little unit underneath the dash. Okay, yes, you guys, you kind of see already on this side there's a gray one, and there's a blue one in the middle, and I'm gonna install this blue one right next to the blue one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this. Hopefully you guys can kind of see it. I'll kind of work the light a little bit. Oh, never mind, I lost the light. Okay. Okay, guys. Kind of bear with me, guys. Sorry. It's hard with one hand. Doing it with one hand. Okay, so as you guys can see, I got 3 on the left side, and then 2 on the right side. Okay, so let's see. So this one is main relay number 2, which controls the fuel pump. The brown one on this side, right next to it, is the one. It's the main relay number 1. Okay, switch these 2 first, and then give it a try. Hopefully this will solve the problem. Okay, until then, guys, hopefully you guys are. Hopefully this video will help you guys. And just feel free to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Okay, I'll post up pictures in case you guys are having a hard time trying to figure it out. Okay, but it's under the dash underneath the dash on 07, okay? 0607 Honda Pilot. All right, just wanted to remind you guys that the relays are underneath the dash on the driver's side, okay? So not the passenger, but on the driver's side. I forgot to mention that, okay? You won't miss it. There's a total of 5, 3 on the left and 2 on the right. The first 2 on top are the one on the right is the main relay number 1, and then the one on the left is the main relay number 2 that's control the fuel pump.